Okay, so a lot of people don't know if the lights actually turn off when you shut a fridge. Well, I just accidentally found out the answer to that question. First of all, the answer is yes, they do turn out. The reason why I know is because of these things right here. When you shut the door, it closes that part. It hits one. And once both of them are pressed at the same time, this one, if I shut that, lights turn off. And depending on what fridge you have, they might not be up there, they might be down there or something, I don't know. Somehow. You like, would be right there or something. But also, with this, also both of them have to be shut at the same time, so you just push one, they won't turn off. But this is where it hits, it leaves a mark. See? So that is the answer. Hold on. Whatever, that's just the answer to that question.